welcome back to Spanish with Maeve. Previously, we have learned how to say she or he eats and I eat. And today we are going to learn how to say do it. Are you ready? Let's start. As you already know, come means he eats or she eats. If we add an S to come, we've got comes. Comes means you eat. Sausages in Spanish means salchichas. Salchichas. Let's do some sentences. How do we say you eat some sausages? ¿Comes unas salchichas? Let's do it together. ¿Comes unas salchichas? Very good. Let's continue. You eat a hot dog. ¿Comes un perrito caliente? Let's do it together. ¿Comes un perrito caliente? Brilliant. Let's continue. You eat a pizza. ¿Comes una pizza? Let's do it together. ¿Comes una pizza? Well done! It's been a pleasure to be with you today, and I'll see you next time with more. Ha sido un placer estar con vosotros hoy y os veo en la próxima con más cosas.